Welcome to DPV. We're on day one of the Underpowered Tour. Got Chris following me back there. Kids are out already. It's a beautiful day. So we're getting ready to meet up with all the Clarkson crew. Got probably another hour and 15 minutes or so of driving to meet up with them, and then we'll hit the Dayton cruise. Back on the road again. Just came off the top of the highway where I had to stop because I was overheating on the drive up. So hopefully it was just that going up the hill, pushing it hard was what was making it overheat. Because now we're doing a lot better, but we also got outside the valley where it's a little cooler. So hopefully we can keep the engine temps down and we can do all right. But I do only have one indicator light, and all it says is engine, so hopefully that's enough information for me. But so far my engine light's off, so we're good.
On this Dayton.
This is Dayton, yeah.
This is where they make your applesauce.
See that logo that looks like the applesauce logo? Yep.
Look at that, all wheels weekend.
Slow caution, we are cruising.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Look at that car.
Wow.
And you're gonna see all
Look at that car.
So cool. Your dad's gonna just be so excited. So
Look at that red car, Mom.
Oh yeah, red and shiny. Do not.
And then Daddy's gonna be red.
Oh,
All right.
Curly fries. Start looking for somewhere to eat.
Gotta find a place
Looks like
to
they're
stop.
gonna have a band. We should have brought
Music.
camping chairs, live music.
All right, let's find a place to park. All right, well, half our crew's here. We got Ghetto Glyder. We got the machine.
Daddy.
And then we got this.
You have a ripping.
I know, I got a rip in my shirt. We got this sweet Galaxy.
Oh, really? With a high speed, and then it's a piece of metal.
So, waiting on Alex. I guess he overheated on one of the grades. Not sure where Rick's at. And then we lost the bug completely. They went back to get the minivan. But should have the rest of the crew in about 15 minutes or so, and then we'll start cruising. There's a ton of cars here. It's rad. Like, look at all this. Some vets over there, and then all down the street. So we'll walk through all the cars and do some cruising. Coming, girl. Hey!
Hey, don't put on that. We made it.
Nice. Sounds good. You're running good? Great.
Did a few things on it today.
right, well, day one's wrapped up. We're gonna head into Walla Walla. It's about 30 minutes away, your hotel. We're down 2 cars. The Bug didn't make it, BBW didn't make it, but we've still got Ghetto Glyder. We got the Machine. We've got that sweet Gambler 500 Galaxy, and we've got the Nova. So tomorrow we'll see you at the racetrack. Wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. See you next time.